In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the font size in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use headings and text styles to make your pages easier to read and better organized. Start by opening your Confluence page and clicking Edit. Highlight the text you want to resize. Once it's selected, click the Text Style menu in the toolbar, usually displayed as paragraph or a T icon. Choose the style that best fits your content. Heading 1 is ideal for page titles, Heading 2 works well for main sections, and Heading 3 is perfect for subsections. To return text to the normal size, simply select Paragraph. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, highlight your text and press Ctrl plus Alt plus 1, 2 or 3 on Windows, or the equivalent shortcut on your Mac to quickly apply heading styles. Keep in mind that Confluence doesn't let you set custom font sizes like a word processor. Instead, it uses predefined heading and paragraph styles to maintain consistent formatting across your pages. When you're happy with your changes, click Publish or Update to save the page. And that's how to change font size in Confluence. Thanks for watching.